So in the last video we saw that the tags in the text file told the browser how to format the page and where to put the information. We don't need to have tags, and in fact if we don't use tags at all, let me take all of these out and just put some plain text in. This is a line of text. This is another line of text. Let's put a few lines in. This is yet another line. Thank you. Right, so if I now save that and open that up in the browser by refreshing the page, there we go. So what we got now is there are no tags at all. The page is still working, but it is just put in the text that I placed in the text document. What I do want you to notice though is that although I used different lines here, it never really put the line breaks in on the actual web page. It just carried on right in from left to right. Not too bothered with that at the present time. However, what I do want you to notice is that a web page is capable of displaying not only pictures, graphics and information by using tags, but if we get rid of the tags, we can actually put in just plain text. This is what is happening when we get data from another site. Instead of getting graphics and tags, what we get is some basic text, and there is a structure to this which I'm not really going to go into at the present time, but we have got just plain text, and that is what we want, or that is what comes back from the websites that we ask for data. We say to them, give me some data. They send it back as a text file which appears in the browser, and we can do quite a few things with that. What we want to do is use Python to read this text file, which if you've used Python, you've probably opened a text file from your local system, from your memory stick or from the hard drive. You've loaded that into a program and done something with it. With a little bit of tweaking, we're going to roughly do the same sort of thing so that we can actually access some of this information and play with it. So that's something that a browser can display. That's what we're going to do. We're just going to play around with the text files.